Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another mini haul. This time is from Estee Lauder. I let in the description box down below a while ago an offer from her, and for me was the right moment to buy something because I had some points with their website, and also they have some great free gifts. So for me was the right moment to buy the double wear foundation, which I was raving about for a long time. So also I got with those I got other foundations, just foundations in this video, and one different product and couple free gifts. So let me show you first the free gifts that I got with the order, and this is one of them. Has two, actually not two, three products, and one of them is a full size. Always they come with directions. Everything I got from Estee Lauder, we had the ingredients and other details about the products. Here was the bag for this bag, and came with a full size product, which is a cleanser. And this is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam in full size. And this one comes with 3.4 fluid ounces, so it's not bad to get a full size cleanser. Then there is in here the well-known Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex. This is probably two, which is this one. The regular size that comes as the deluxe sample, but I tried one of these a while ago and this one is gonna last a while. Then the third product in this free bag was the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. So we got the eye one and the face one, which is great because those are great products. I tried them in samples and I'm glad to have deluxe samples. Another free gift that, and because I have two orders, I got two of them. So the other free gifts are those bags. Each of them has different products. They had a name anyway. I don't remember what was the name, but if I remember the name for the gift, I will leave it on the screen. So far this comes with this scarf or whatever is this tiny one. Very pretty and colorful. Those two bags here, it's a tiny one and the big one. And let me show you what's in the first big one. I love Estee Lauder. It's just way too expensive, but when you have points and you can get free items, it's great to buy. So here is the bag, the gift that came in that bag. As usually, all the information and some beauty recipe in here, two of them. And let's see what we have in this bag. Ritual spray. So the first item in here is it's Estee Lauder Nutritious Super Pomegranate Radiant Energy 2-in-1 Cleansing Foam, and this one comes with 1 fluid ounce, which as I told you, I think it's great because those are great sizes, not just the foils. They're supposed to send me some samples, but they sent me just one, so not just those. Those are great product, great sizes. Then there is in here Estee Lauder Nutritious Super Pomegranate Radiant Energy Moisture Cream, which is this one, and this one comes with 0.5 ounce, another great size, and of course I will do a review for them on my channel. Then we have Nutritious Super Pomegranate, and this one is, it doesn't say, but probably it's a night cream. Actually is this one. It's tinier than the day one. Then we have another tiny guy, and looking at the size is the tiniest one. Probably it's an eye product, and this is the same Nutrition Super Pomegranate, the same line, and this is Radiant Energy Eye Jelly. So is this tiny guy right here. Packaging is beautiful, I don't have to mention that. And two more products in this free gift. One of them it's Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Lip Pencil in a nude color. Looks like this. And let me try to swatch this one. So here is the color for the lip pencil, very creamy. And the last product in the bag, it's a full-size lipstick. This is Estee Lauder. If I can read, I will tell you. Something envy, but I will look closer at the name and I will leave it on the screen because I don't want to say something wrong. It's a red, very bold red, and here is the lipstick. Of course, it's the month of Valentine's. Actually, it's a coral, not a red. It's more a coral color. Very creamy by the way it applies. So here was this bag, the first gift. They came in the first bag, and the second one has a different line. This was the Nutrition Pomegranate, Super Pomegranate, or something like that. And the second one, it's a different line in this one. And I saw on the eBay people are selling those gifts with so ginormous prices. Not gonna comment about that, but I remember I bought one of them a while ago and I thought was a good deal, but actually they are expensive, like. But anyway, here is the second bag. Probably has the same amount of products and the same products, but from a different line. And the first thing in here, it's Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Instant Refinishing Facial. It's cream exfoliate, something like that. That looks like this. I was trying couple products from this line, and I got some gifts also in Romania from this line. Then we have the Revitalizing Supreme. This is the eye balm. It's another tiny jar. The packaging is gorgeous as always. Then we have the biggest one, which is probably the day cream. It's Revitalizing Supreme Anti-Aging Gel Power Cream SPF 15, which is this one. And also we have in here 3 more products. One of them is another lipstick, and believe me or not, I cannot read. The print is so small and I don't have anything here. It's a nude this time. For color Envy. And because I saw the name here on the lipstick, let me look at the other one and I'll tell you the name for that one. It comes inside like for this one. For color Envy, probably it's a number here. Yeah, they have a number under the name, so for sure the number is different. But anyway, this is the nude one, another full size. And let me swatch this one. This one is a more wearable color for me and goes very well with the lip liner. So is this one. And then 2 more items in here. We have a tiny guy, which is a Revitalizing Lip Balm. Lip balm? No, it's Wake Up Balm. Lip balm, where did I came with that? Anyway, This is a wake up balm. Probably it's an eye product for all skin types. I don't see any directions here, but for sure, of course, we got to know to more recipes. And let me see what's this one, because I'm curious. Revitalizing Supreme Gel Power Eye Balm. So it's an eye product. And the last one in here is this box with the Estee Lauder logo. And let's see what's in this one. Yeah, I had the card. I supposed to read the name from the card, but anyway. Here is the box. This, yeah, you can see my camera. Here is the little box. And in this one, this is Estee Lauder Bronze in 0 to medium. Comes with a mirror. And here is the product. It does have some shimmer. Now let me swatch this one. The color reminds me of the Physician Formula, the butter one that I have. So here is this bronzer. Not very dark, but pretty color. And also comes with this tiny brush, which is really tiny. So that's kind of all us free gifts. I think it's amazing in my opinion. I am very excited about the gifts. We got skincare, we got makeup, so it's not bad at all. You let me know what do you think about the gifts. And the products that I bought are some foundation, and by mistake I wanted to buy a concealer, and by mistake I bought a highlighter because the name of the highlighter and the shade was very similar with a name and a shade for a concealer. But anyway, let's see what I bought. And I got, of course, the double wear stay in place makeup. This is the full size 1 fluid ounce, and I got the shade 1W2 Sand. We'll see how this one will look. I tried this one in a sample and I like the color, so we'll see. I remarked lately that samples are coming in a little bit different as colors than the full size. But anyway, we'll try this one. I still don't have a favorite shade in generally as foundation or concealer. I'm covering usually my concealer, my under eye concealer with foundation, so for me it doesn't matter too much. I don't used to bake or things like that, but anyway, that's my preference. Then I got in here the double wear brush on glow BB highlighter, which is this one, and this one came in the 2W light medium. Believe me or not, I didn't know that highlighters are coming in medium or light. And here is the product. And come with a brush which reminds me of the Rimmel concealer. Let's try to find a place to swatch this one. Very, very creamy. I don't know, to me this one looks like, yeah, it says highlighter, but looks like, and probably the color on the website tricked me. So here is this one. Let me try to make another swatch, a bigger one. To me it looks like a concealer. I don't know, what do you think about this one? So here is this one. Anyway, we'll try and see. I'm still a little bit confused about this one, but anyway, here is another product. Then I got the cushion one. I got the double wear cushion BB all day wear liquid compact in 0.42 ounce. And this time I got a different shade. I got the 2W0 warm vanilla, and let's see how this one looks. The packaging is just gorgeous. And let me open this one. Comes with that puff, and has the seal here. Because it has this seal, I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna use it right now. I'm not gonna open it, but for sure I will have a review for those. And the last one in here is double wear stay in place matte powder foundation. Is this box right here. I don't usually use powder foundation alone. I like to use them as a setting powder. So I got this one, and this one is 4C1 outdoor beige. So here is the packaging. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. And here is the color for this one. So that's kind of all that I choose with this sale. I can't wait to try them. I can't wait to wear the double wear foundation, the liquid one, and of course to try the other ones. So that's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for watching this mini haul. Let me know if you like Estee Lauder products. What did you try from her, and what did you like, what you didn't like, or what would you like to try from Estee Lauder. So that's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for giveaways. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.